Laser goes supernova. Dripping with futuristic colors and cultural references from the cyberpunk past, GMK Laser is crafted in Germany using custom cherry tooling. The keycaps themselves are made of thick doubleshot abs for longevity and strength. Thick compatible doubleshot abs. Made in Germany using custom cherry tooling, GMK Laser keycaps are made from 1.5 mm thick doubleshot abs for longevity and strength. Switch compatibility. Sculpted in cherry profile, GMK Laser is compatible with Cherry MX switches and clones including but not limited to Kaihua, Halo, and Gateron. Keyboard compatibility. Cyberdeck. This set is compatible with various 60%, tenkeyless, 65%, 75%, and full-size keyboards. MiTo's Laser custom keycap set earned glowing reviews when we first launched it years ago, and cyberpunk is here to stay. Round 2 of GMK Laser features all the bright lights, dark shadows, and 80s vibes you loved in Round 1, plus some key updates, including a streamlined base kit, expanded ISO and other layout support, and new offerings to push the aesthetic even further into the neon underworld. Dripping with futuristic colors and cultural references from the cyberpunk past, GMK Laser is crafted in Germany using custom cherry tooling. The keycaps themselves are made of thick doubleshot abs for longevity and strength. Top reviews from the United States. Beautiful, but pricey. Beautiful thoughtful keycap set. Pricey for what you get in terms of key variety though. Alternate spacebars should have been included with the set and not sold separately in my opinion. Happy with them, but ouch.